Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And you never know what we're going to run into from one day to the next. But I have a load of Triumph stuff. Not a Triumph expert, but I believe these parts here are from a 650. Wheels are the rear wheels seem to be complete. The rims are nothing to write home about, but the guts and stuff all look pretty cool. I'm looking to get 75 bucks a piece out of these wheels. Got some fronts here. Looking to get 75 bucks a piece out of these. These are Triumph 650 also, we believe. This backing plate here has some little bit of decaying, but it's looks pretty good on this side. And the hubcap, we believe this is 68 Triumph, but we don't know. Hubcap's kind of gooned. It appears like the axle guts and stuff are all there complete. Then we have the same story here, only this backing plate there is pretty nice. Actually, there's no pitting or anything on it. So we're looking to get $75 a piece for these wheels. By the way, it's all going to be our webpage. This is what we believe to be a 1962 Triumph pre-unit. VIN number is D17697. We're looking to get $300 for this. This appears to be pretty decent. I mean, it's going to need sandblast and stuff, but the swing arm does move. You know, it's sitting where it belongs there. Looks like it's pretty decent. I mean, you may have some pitting by the time you sandblast. I can't promise you on that, but what a nice piece to start with. Then you got this one here. We believe this is a 1959 Triumph pre-unit frame. Serial number 023420. But keep in mind, we're not experts on this, so this is what we think it is. Now this one has a single down tube, and that's a double down tube, so I don't know for sure. I'm just going off what someone told me. Now we have a tail section with a swing arm. The swing arm has a tab here that's busted off where the shock goes. It can be repaired, but it is what it is. That's the shocks that came with it, and there's a couple brackets and stuff. I'd like to get like 75 for everything. Now we have a Triumph 650 front fender. Now I don't know for sure, but I think this is original paint. Looked like it was like an olive at one time or something, and it has the spacers. These go on the fork. This isn't bad. We'd like to get $50 for this. This is pretty nice. Then we have an oil tank that came from that frame. So I believe this is 650. And I don't know, but I think this is original paint. This is pretty nice. And we'd like to get $50 for this. And I don't see any dents. I see some paints off it, but I don't see any dents. Then we have, we're not selling this whole motor, but we're selling the guts. And this is a 650 Triumph motor, but I think it's definitely 63 and up, because it's got the transmission as part of the motor. It's not separate like a pre-unit. So we would sell this parts off this. So if there's any interest out there, let us know. Possible low-cost shipping available on request. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and we're located in Wadsworth, Ohio. Okay, and also we wanted to point out we do have these two motorcycles. I currently have them for sale on eBay auction right now. If they don't sell on eBay auction, we will have these available also, but this will be a couple days.